there, another trade recap for today. I'm back on my home setup, so you'll see that the screen's a bit bigger. I did make a small profit today. Went in a little bit towards what I lost last week. I lost $150 last week. It'll take a while to recoup. So you can see I've got in here at 608. They get filled, don't get filled, the price keeps going up. I actually missed the beginning of this because I was messing about with my ThinkOSIM setup. So a little bit annoyed with myself. I should have been playing with that before the market opened, really. So I'll try and find a place to get in here. Looking at what support level could be. Trying to get just above where it was just a moment ago. So having that as the bottom, if it comes back down, we'll try and get in. So I get filled at 671. Like an idiot, I took the profit straight away. I should have waited. Because in a moment you'll notice that it actually goes up to $8 and something. So I'm looking to get in again. Why I took profit with only 50p, I have no idea. I think at the moment I get a little bit of profit and I just think, profit, take it. So trying to get filled at 671. Not getting filled, higher and higher. Got a little bit of FOMO here, thinking I was going to miss out, so I went in at almost what the ask was. I get filled at 678, and this time I try and hold it a little bit longer, so I'm looking at where I could get it out. So because I was going down, I did a stop loss to get out. We made 50p for 50 cents, sorry, and then we've just lost 180. Getting again at 660. I decided to try and get, I think it was 681 I went in at, try and get filled. I'll try and get it at 681 to take some profit. Waiting to see if it comes up. Which in hindsight it does. I should have held it again. This time I don't try and stop out, I just hold it and hope for it to come back up, please. We get filled at 681, so we're back to 30 cents profit. And now, instead of selling it, I should have held it, but I didn't, so I'll try and get in again. Using more funds, but I don't have. Hoping to get in and it go over $7. It does go over $7 and I'm not even in. I've just held it before, instead of trying to sell at 6821. I could see lots of buyers on the ladder, so I was quite confident it was going to go up. But instead of holding it, I took the profit while I could. Hindsight, I should have held it. Try and get back in again. Again, I'll go for the bottom of what it was before, but if it doesn't come down this low, then I'm not going to get in. Cancelled that, and we're trying to get in again at high level. Hope it'll go over $8. When I was thin trading, I did use the buttons, but I'm a bit less confident with them when it's live money. I think next time I trade, I will use the buttons on my Stream Deck. The issue is I don't take the Stream Deck to work with me. I only use the ladder to get in and out at work. I'm trying to get in again at where I think the support is, which is the height of the last candle. Not getting filled. We've only got $235 left to play with today, so if I'd left it and got in, I'd have been the frustration. So I'm in again at 8.49, hoping it'll go over 9. Get out with $4.21 profit. I've still got an open order lower down, so I'll get after that eventually. $8.12. Hoping it'll push up past 8.50 and 0.29. I get filled again at 8. So I'm in at 20 shares at the moment. Looking for it to go up to at least 8.50. Guessing that's where the next resistance will be. In hindsight, I should have got out here. This is as much as I made on it, but I didn't. So now I'm scrambling to try and sell. I've got a decent profit. Sell 10 shares, I'm trying to sell the other 10. I was trying to get out with Thinkorswim, but it's come up with an error, as you'll hear. I think that's because I've still got a limit sell somewhere else, which I didn't see. Let me sell more than what I've already got. Eventually I realise and I press the GTFO button on my Stream Deck. You can hear them still trying to get out using the ladder. What I should have done is use the cancel order button on my Stream Deck. That would have cancelled any existing orders, but I wasn't sure what was happening. Meanwhile, prices going up and down. I've realised that now that I had an order and I managed to get out. So I've got a profit of $7.81. That leaves me with $67 left to trade on the day, which isn't even enough to buy 10 shares of this. So I decided to call it a day. So plan for next time is to try and hold things longer. If it's a good market like this one, should have held it from the beginning instead of selling for 30 cents. So next time the plan is to try and hold it for longer and see whether it goes up. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll be back again whenever I get a chance to trade again. Have a good day.